up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get that perfect straight of the salon hair without spending $100. Yes, you could do this at home. Like, do you guys see my hair? I feel like I just came out the salon right now. So if you guys want to see how I get this fresh out of the salon hair at home, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair, and I kept it in my bun while I do my makeup. So this is what my hair looks like when it's wet. My hair isn't pinned straight. I know in a lot of my videos it's straight, but that's because I honestly flat iron my hair almost every single day. So if I wasn't to flat iron or blow dry my hair, it would kind of stay like the same look, like wavy-ish, but it is super frizzy. So that's why I always have to put heat on my hair. I've been always telling myself, don't put heat on your hair, try to stop, and it just never works out. So you do want to start off with wet hair. Mine is not soaking wet, but it is, you know, pretty wet because I just washed it. So I always put something in my hair before I blow dry it to protect it from the heat, and I do use my Tresemme heat protectant. I use this when I blow dry my hair, when I straighten, curl it. I always use this product. And then I do also take my It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioning Plus Keratin product, and this product does do 10 things to your hair. I'm not going to read all of them, but basically it moisturizes your hair, it smoothens it, it detangles it, it restores strength, it protects it from hair color, and it adds shine, and it helps your split ends, plus more. So I do add this before I blow dry my hair. When it's damp, I don't add it when it's dry. Like before I straighten my hair, I do only use this when it's damp because it is a deep conditioning product, and I do love how it makes my hair look shiny and smooth, so I will add this too. So I'm first going to go in with my Tresemme heat protectant and just spray this all throughout my hair. I focused it a lot on the ends. And then next I'm going to go in with the It's a 10 Deep Conditioning Keratin product and run this through my hair. I do take about this much. I don't want to take too much because I don't want my hair to be over shiny and then it's just going to look oily. So I do focus this on the ends, and I do have shorter layers in the front of my hair, so I do put it on the ends there. Now before you blow dry your hair, you want to make sure your hair is detangled, and this product actually is really good with detangling your hair too. So I am going to use my wet brush to brush my hair. Always start at the ends and then work your way up. Ever since I got this brush, literally it works wonders. It will take out every single tangle in my hair. So I actually use this Revlon blow dryer. It is a brush and a blow dryer in one. There are products like this where it's a brush blow dryer, but it is only on one side. Unlike this one, it does go all the way around. So I'm just going to section my hair. I like to do it in 2 to 3 sections. So I will do the bottom half first. So I do also split it in 2. So I'm going to do my left side first and then my right side. So I'm just going to explain to you what I'm doing before and then show you as I go. I'm not going to talk through it just because, yeah, don't want to hear all that. So pretty much I am going to start by the root, and I'm going to put my hair in it like this, and then I'm just going to spin it and push down. And once I get to the end, I am going to keep spinning it and then just keep spinning it the closer you go down, and it is going to create like a little swoop. So you guys are going to watch and you guys can see pretty much what I'm doing. This is what this side looks like dry. What I love about this too is it doesn't take forever to dry your hair. It honestly takes you running through it about like 5 times, maybe even less. So as you can see, it does create a little swoop at the end, which I really like because when I go to the hair salon, they always do that with the blow dryer. So that's why I love doing my hair with them, because I used to never be able to do that on myself. But with this and the straightener that I'm going to use after, it really creates the ends looking really nice, like I just came out the salon. I'm going to put my hair to the back and then take down the next section and then move that to the front. I just finished the bottom 2 layers. Now I'm going to move on to the top. So for this video, I am going to part it in the middle. And I just like taking a comb like this to part my hair. I start from the back and then I just go forward. I look crazy. I'm just going to tie the side that I'm not doing first because I don't want it to mix with my dry hair. Now going towards the top pieces, I don't only go under, but I do brush down on the top just a little bit because I do have some flyaways, so I don't want that to stick up. So blow drying it down a little bit is going to help them stick down. This is what it looks like after I blow dry the whole thing. Now as you can see, the bottom, it does curve in a little bit throughout my hair, and then if I twirl it with my finger, it does curl a little bit more. I'm gonna go in my straightener now. I like using a straightener that curls your hair too. This one is by Conair. It's called the Infinity Pro. The edges are round, so it does help you curl your hair. Now I do take my heat protectant again and just lightly spritz the ends of my hair and then a little bit at the top. I do section my hair again when I do this, so I am going to section it just in 2 parts. So what I'll do is I'll just run the top once and then I'll do from the middle down, and when I get to the ends I'm going to curve it and pull, so it creates a little curl at the end. Kind of curled that one a little bit too much, so I just ran through it once and it'll look like this. So I am gonna run through it once, and towards the middle, once I get to the end, I'm going to curve it and pull, so it'll look like this. And then I just pull my hair together and then just curl it with my finger, so it looks like this. So here you could kind of tell the difference. This is just blow dried and this is with the straightener. So I'm going to show you again on this side, and then I'm just going to do the rest of my hair. So I go through it once from the root, and then towards the end I'm going to swoop it in. So I'm going to go towards the root all the way down and then towards the middle, and when I get to the end I'm just going to swoop it in like that. I'm just gonna brush the top just so it all blends. And this is what this side looks like, and this is this side, just blow dried. So this is what my hair looks like after I curl the ends a little bit. Now the last step that I do is I like to take this macadamia natural oil healing oil spray, and I like to spritz this on my hand and then focus it towards the end, and then just put a little bit towards the root just to flatten the top a little bit. You don't want to spray this directly on your hair because it is an oil, so it's going to make your hair look extremely oily, and if you want that fresh out of the salon hair, you don't want your hair to look oily. So I'm just going to spray like 3 sprays onto my hand and then rub it together and just put it towards the end pieces and then slowly run my hair up. This is really good with pushing down any extra flyaways as well. And a little trick I do is I take a toothbrush and I'll just push the flyaways down even more. Not to mention this macadamia oil smells so good. I just keep describing it as if I just came out the salon. Like, I literally feel like I just came out the salon and I did it for free by myself. Like, call me a hairstylist. So this product is gonna make your hair nice and shiny like you just came out the salon. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like at the end. I love doing my hair like this when I really want to do my hair one day. So you get salon perfect hair without spending like $100. So if you like the way my hair looks, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and catch me in my next video.